how to sell digital art prints on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. As you can see in here, we have a lot of products to buy from. So let's just get into it and be one of these sellers as well. Click on your shop or on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So in order to do that, you have 6 steps to go through, and the first one is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop, then stocking your shop, then choosing how you'll get paid, setting up your billing, and your shop's security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here we choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for the currency, I'm going to change it from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for your shop. So you can choose the name that you like. For me, I'm going to choose my niche's name, so which is the digital art prints. So here, enter the name of your shop. I'm going to shorten it to be between 4 and 20 characters. Then you will need to change it a little bit because it's already taken. So just add a number, or you can choose from. So here, even that is taken, so it's just try another number. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. So here you will need to add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before adding the photos and details, let's first click on save and continue in order to see all of the required fields, as you can see in here, which are the photos. And you will need to upload at least one photo. Inventory, where you will need to give your product a price, listing details as well, where you will need to fill all of these red fields, and the same thing with the shipping. Also, you will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's go back to photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. And guys, for the video, it's different. It's not like the photos. The video is not required, is not a required field to fill. If you have one, that's better. If not, there is no problem. It just makes your ROI higher than just using photos. Then we have the listing details, and it's the step where you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. So here, let's give it a good title. Then you answer these 3 questions. First one is who made it. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. Then what is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories also to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. So here let's choose recently, between 2020 and 2023. And for the category, just type a keyword or the name of your product. Then you'll have a lot of categories to choose from. So here, let's see what we can choose. Let's choose this one. And here we have some additional detail to fill, like the craft type, the primary color of the product, secondary color. Then you have the length of the product, and you can choose a unit in here, the same for the width, and also the occasion. If you want to choose one in here, you can find any occasion you'd like. Then you have the holiday also, you can choose one in here. Then you have the subject of the product. Then we have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic renewal, or if you want to choose the manual one, and the difference between them is that the automatic one costs 20 cents each time and the manual is free. So let's choose the free one. Then for the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product, I'm going to leave it at physical. Then comes the description. So guys, in order to write a good description for the product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then comes the production partner. So if there is any production partners, you can add them in here. If not, you can just close this one. And for these 3 other details, they are optional, so I'm just going to leave them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, make sure to put a fair price for your product. Then we have the shipping settings. So in the shipping settings, make sure to fill all of these red fields, as I said in the beginning. Then last but not least, you have the returns and exchanges policy. So click on apply to apply this policy, or if you want to create your own, just click on create policy and you can accept or refuse whatever you would like. Then after you're done with all of that, click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.